When people find out that they can customize and change their kitchen, they get really excited. The kitchen is the heart of the home and it's really important. So today I wanted to talk to you about some of the changes that we can do to our house plans to help enhance the quality of life in your day-to-day living in your house. We've had customers raise dishwashers, so instead of installing directly on the floor, we've put a cabinet underneath those to raise them. If they had back issues, they didn't have to bend over as far to reach down in there to load and unload their dishwasher. We've also customized certain platforms, like on top of a cabinet space. Customer had her specific microwave that she wanted to fit in there, and so we made a specific little wood cubby hole for her to fit that in. That's the way she had it in her previous house, and she was very comfortable with it and really wanted to pick up that enhancement in her new home as well. We've installed pot fillers above our stoves. I know sometimes it's easier so you don't have to take that big heavy kettle and take it over to the sink. You can have that pot filler installed so that you can fill your pot up right there above the stove and you don't have to worry about moving it back and forth and things like that. A lot of times people like a lot of lighting in their kitchen. I know sometimes we'll install under cabinet mounted lighting, giving you more lighting when you're cooking. If you have that cookbook out and you need to see that cookbook a little brighter, that'll give you that brightness you need. As far as your island, we can do a lot of customization. We can add shelves on the end of an island. You do get electric on the end of an island. If you would like your sink moved to your island, we can also do that as well. A lot of different variations that we can do with the island. Some people may want a peninsula coming off the cabinets, but we can also make it high top. So if you're wanting a bar top on that island, we can definitely do that as well. Or we can just have it, a really large, nice, open area. We love helping you make it just what you want it to be. If you want to learn more, please check us out at americashomeplace.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.